Hi everyone, it's Dr. Raj. So today, May 2nd, 2013, we talked about very interesting things on the show. The conscious mind, the unconscious mind, and the superconscious mind. Remember, we are swimming in a sea of subatomic particles called Higgs boson particles. Basically, how you can think of this is the following. Think about a fish that swims in an aquarium and it doesn't even know it's in water. We are in the subatomic sea of particles, and it's these particles that pull together matter and give mass to objects. You, me, the table, everything in this entire universe. Bottom line of what you need to remember is that we are in a sea of subatomic particles. That entire sea of particles gives rise to the entire universe. So the superconscious is equivalent to God consciousness. That means that anything that emerges in this field of subatomic particles is an expression of consciousness itself. Now, let's go back to the human being. The human mind has three major parts I want you to think about. The unconscious, the conscious, and there is something called the superconscious, which is again the God consciousness that we are connected to. Again, so there's the conscious mind, the unconscious mind, and then the superconscious mind. The superconscious mind is all of it, everybody, everything in the whole universe. The unconscious mind and the conscious mind is within you and within me. So what this means is that between the conscious experience and the superconscious God experience, there is a barrier, and that's the unconscious mind. So of course, what's in the unconscious is our story. Our story is embedded in there, and we have to free ourselves, or free those points of attachment, those false beliefs in our story that are embedded in our unconscious mind. So we have to go follow the roots of our story down to see where they're attached and loosen them up and allow the superconscious God consciousness to flow into our life. I realize that's a lot in a couple minutes to try to take in. Try to listen to one of the repeats of the show from May the 2nd. We went into quite a bit of detail about what I'm talking about. Thank you and be well.